guys, it's Claudette back again from Claudette's Charms, and I wanted to update you on some things I've been working on. I've got some finished objects to show you. They're my Amigurumi. I'm going to start out with the crocheted ones, and then I'll end with the knitted ones. So we're going to start with this little guy. Isn't she cute? Her name's Millie. She's Millie the crochet mouse, crochet love mouse. She's supposed to have a little heart, but I never did finish the heart. So anyway, you can make a heart if you want. The pattern is by the Crochet Crowd, and I will link it below. And I just think she is so adorable. I love the way she turned out. And I used just some 4-weight light gray that I had laying around. And this one for the ears has a little sparkle to it, and just use some scraps. And then this is yarn I got from Joann's. I've got the band here. It's the color Wine, and it's the big twist yarn. It's Joann's Fabrics brand. So that's where I got that yarn, and it's a 4-weight also. But I just think she came out so adorable. So she's the first one. I'll put her over there. And then my daughters are grown, but they wanted a couple of stuffed animals by Mom. So this one was for my daughter Danielle, my youngest, who is now 29 years old. Anyway, this is her little panda. And I will put the link below to the pattern of who did this pattern. I have it written down. Let's see. Oh boy, I don't know if I can pronounce it. Odinka Wasananandi. Anyway, I will link it in the description. And this is also 4-weight yarn, just some scraps I had laying around. But I think he came out adorable. And I can't remember what she named him, but there he is. That's what I've been up to, guys. Having fun. Okay, then this guy is for Katie, my oldest. She's 30. And this sits on her bed. And this little guy, the pattern is by Amy Saigon, and I will also link it below. Now this one is a chunky weight yarn. I believe it's a 5. I don't have the band. I can't find it to either one, the gray or the white. They're both the same. They're kind of plushy yarn, I think. And then this one I think I got at Walmart. I think it's also a chunky. This one might be Hometown. Not sure. Anyway, it's a light pink. And so there he is, or she. I'm not sure which gender this one is, but could go either way. Well, we'll say cow since he doesn't have horns. There we go. So then I will move on to the knitted. Okay, so this one is, she's called Ballerina Girl, I believe. Let me make sure. Ballerina Doll, and she's by Diana Levine Knits. Okay, I made her face a little bit too long. The pattern calls for a shorter face. I think it's cuter with a shorter face, but I'll link it below, so if you guys want to try it, for you knitters out there, I think she's really cute. She's a little floppy doll, just kind of a comfort doll. So there she is, and she's in my Etsy shop for sale. And then I had so much fun making these comfort Izzy dolls. These are also knit, and these are by Esther Joy Knits. She has a tutorial for everything, the dresses, the lettering, the hair, everything. And these are little Izzy dolls named after a Canadian, I believe he was a Canadian soldier that was killed in Croatia, and he used to give out these little 6-inch dolls that his mom made for the kids that were affected by the war. And they continued on, and they're still taking the comfort dolls to distribute to the kids. And I'm looking into how to get these to the kids in Ukraine, or from Ukraine. So anyway, this is one. That's Lucy, and I will link her tutorial below. Well, I'll link the first one, and then she's got a series. And I forget what I named this one, but look how cute they are. Aren't they adorable? This one's got the blonde hair. They do take a little while to work up, you know, by the time you do the hair, and these are quicker because they don't have the skirts. The pants and the top are just one piece. And then you just stitch the arms. You just do some stitching to make the arms and legs look like arms and legs. So it's all one piece on those. The ones with the dresses take a little bit longer, and this one has pigtails and a heart. These were so fun though to make. And she's got all the directions for the different types of skirts too. Oh, not that one, let's see. And here's this one, I named him Jack, or Jay, whichever. And he's adorable too. He's got just the pants and a shirt. And then we have this pretty little girl with her little poofy skirt. Aren't these adorable? And you can, you know, use any weight yarn, any colors. It's really fun to experiment. Here's another one. Like I say, I'm looking into donating these for the Ukraine kids. If you guys know of anyone, I've done a little research, and all I've found is places that want money, and I want to actually donate things like blankets and these dolls and stuff like that. So if anybody knows of any place taking them for the kids from Ukraine, just let me know in the comments below. Here's another one. And then I had these little flowers, got them, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, that I just sewed on to their dresses, or their skirts. Let's see, do I have any more? I think that's it, guys. Oh, I did knit this little silly thing. This is a little knitted sweater for like a Starbucks coffee mug. I was just practicing. Isn't that cute? The little hands and then the pocket. And you can put a little chocolate or something in there. Makes a cute gift. I did this around Christmas time. I don't know. I might have shown that on another video. I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I will keep you guys updated on my finished projects and my WIPs, my works in progress. Okay? Thanks for watching. Take care.